What's up, Lite, Brite Nation?
Hey, what's going on, guys? Yeah.
He did it.
Yeah, he did it. He did great. Keep going.
We're wheeling our way all the way from Jeep Beach back home to Utah. And the goal was to pick out some parks and some trails we've never done before. And I think we've found possibly a winner because today we are at Black Mountain in Kentucky. And this is a park that Kevin and I have never been to before, but it's their home turf. We're here specifically because of them. They had already, I guess, committed, that's a good word. They had already committed to coming to this event. It is the Discover 4x4 Adventures Big Rig Roundup. And so we just kind of like tagged along. They didn't expect us to be here, but I'm so glad we came because this is like,
so hard.
This is just the trail to get to the trails. Like, this isn't even technically, but it has an obstacle right at the beginning, and someone decided to make the day very interesting right from the start. This would be a great time to remind everyone that Luna's rear diff is on the verge of grenading. So her ring gears basically are all stress cracked and her spider gears are missing some teeth. So it'll be fine. Pretty sure that's all it had.
But it was a good attempt.
Yeah, it was
a great attempt.
Yeah.
Drift in the corner.
That's how we do it on the East Coast.
Hey. He just walked right up it.
Well, the day was off to a very beautiful, fantastic, rowdy start. And then we all walked back to the rigs to keep on keeping on. And the stepchild is...
Oh, it did something.
Try it again.
Try again.
So we're pretty sure it's something to do possibly with the fuel pump. The relay seems fine and everything. We don't think it's spark, but we are going to try some starting fluid just to see. Nope.
Yet again, I'm being put on the payroll here. Brittany's in here making sure that when she needs to start it and give it some gas, she is. So, guys, it's Luna, your honorary Lite Brite team member.
Well, it's crazy because the Jeep before it was like crazy, like all this crazy fully built, no problems. We beat the shit out of it all the time. And now that it's all crazy fully built and we spend all this time building it, it's every time we wheel it, there's a problem. The relays are clicking, the fuse is good. So if the fuse is good and the relays are clicking.
Yeah. Process of elimination.
Yeah, you start with the easiest thing.
All right, try to
start it.
Starter fluid. It's definitely the fuel pump.
All right.
Oh.
Worst comes to worst, hit it with a hammer. That's we literally fixed the hammer situation with our starter recently. That's why we have a spare starter hanging out there. Brass hammer.
Equipment way too much.
I guess we should have picked up a fuel pump when we picked up a starter. So for now, we're just gonna tow us out of the way so we're not blocking, because obviously it's too narrow here for anyone to get around it. So we don't want to block the trail. And we don't really want to hold up this event at all either. But hey, unexpected stuff happens, especially when you beat the crap out of your rigs as often as we do. Mildly annoying, because it has seemed like we've had just kind of like these little minor non-stop problems this entire freaking trip. Like every time we wheel, there's something.
I got stuck. I was getting out of the Jeep and I got stuck in I don't know what, and it broke.
It's the door latch.
I've got fuel pump because I just cracked the fuel, the fuel pressure line, fuel pump line, and fuel sprayed everywhere. Crank sensor, something that's not firing the injectors, I guess. Look.
So the plug for the PDM right there, one of the pins inside is super burnt. Say
like
hi, Chris.
Hi.
I need like a pick or something maybe to like try to scrape out the burnt part.
Is it really burnt now?
It's like it's melted all the way around, like it's like a full.
Gosh. That means so it has your Jeep has a stock Jeep pump.
Okay, show it again.
It's a 392 pump.
Right. It wasn't when you first did your 392. They had a well grow in that tank, remember?
I don't remember. I'm just trying to see. I'm trying to see if the pin wouldn't be melted at all.
No, the pin wouldn't be melted. I would try to just see if you can click it back on there and it'll start.
Well, I'm trying. I want to get a. I need something to.
Okay.
Pick it out.
I want to scratch the
Just scrape it.
black.
If you can't get the connectors back on, there's a rubber grommet inside. Let me see.
Pull it down.
They're-
He's saying
they're
spit
really
on
hard to
it.
overcome.
You just spit on it?
Yeah, just spit on it.
Alright, unstart it, let it off. Yep.
Damn it. Stop.
Kevin, we had some picks that we had bought earlier that we needed to do the hub, but came in handy because he used this to scrape off the burnt plug, and the stepchild has started now. Sorry, when the Jeep started, it did the Bluetooth thing and then you got hung up on, but just wanted to say thank you for the assist.
Oh, no problem.
Question, do you think we can find a replacement for that plug, or do we have to buy a whole new harness just to cut the plug off? Okay. All right, sick. Thank you, Chris.
Say hi to Pam.
Say hi to Pam for me. Okay, bye. Okay, so to break this down for everyone, so everyone understands exactly what just happened. So our fuel pump is PWM, pulse with modulation. So the box that we pulled that connector out of underneath the Jeep is essentially the fuel pump control module. And what it does is it essentially varies the voltage to the fuel pump based on our speed. And that connection being not connected essentially because one of the little pins is completely burnt, so there's not a good connection. We're getting nothing to the fuel pump. Like we said, Kevin scraped off the pin, reconnected it. It has a connection now. It is now currently running. We will probably need to replace that connector. We already looked it up, and it's like $100+ for just the connector. But it is what it is. But right now the stepchild is running, and we're just gonna send it. We have the option to turn around and call it a day, but at least we know what it is now.
Know what it is.
If it happens again, Kevin can get under there and file at it some more. And
Yeah, I don't know how many times. It's crispy, like it's burnt. So I don't know how many times you can really do that. So even when I was doing it, the pin just like melted into the plastic. I'm like, oh, well, the plastic not melted into it.
Yeah.
It's charred. It's burnt. I
Yeah.
don't know if we got a video of it because I was trying to get going. So we were
Yeah.
blocking the whole trail.
But yeah, so we at least know exactly what it is. Again, huge shout out to Chris. Knew he would know. And turns out this is actually a problem. He encountered the exact same thing.
That's why he knew, because
He
the Jeep
knew.
wouldn't start one time.
And that was the issue. And he was like, oh, remember that? You heard him. Yeah, so.
I do remember now that he says it, but I brain farted it.
Yeah.
because I was.
So anyways-
honestly, I was just embarrassed that our Jeep was.
I know we're blocking the
just
trail. It's
embarrassed.
just like, dang it. And
I
again,
think we have the newest Jeep here.
and it's not our event. And we're
our
the
event.
trail tampon for about 30, 45 minutes there. But we appreciate everyone here hanging out and helping. We told them they could go on, but they chose to stand by with us. So anyways, Onward. You know what I also don't like about the East Coast? What is that? What is that?
I'm driving.
I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's on your chair though, not mine. So. So this is the start of the infamous trail known as Lion's Den, and it is one of the hardest, if not the hardest trail here at Black Mountain. For a four-door, full-bodied JL like the Stepchild, guaranteed body damage on this trail, which you'll fully see why and understand why here in just a second when some of these rigs go through here. But this would be a really, really fun trail in my buggy, and I'm kind of sad I didn't bring it.
Luna, what were you saying about body damage?
I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of body damage, but this will definitely give you body damage.
All right, but were you saying that if you were gonna get body damage, you'd like it to be on this
so
trail?
If I was gonna get body damage, I would accept it being on this trail. It would be worth it.
So you're going through it all?
I wouldn't go all the way over there. That's a stretch. We're not there yet.
Okay.
So first things first, you have to make it through this rock pile gatekeeper, which in and of itself is not easy. That's just the warm-up. The real challenges start here with this drop-off.
Oh man.
Oh, he's not looking.
Look.
Hey!
Forget the cage.
Yeah.
Look forward.
So you can see where everyone scrapes here, but more importantly, where everyone just drags their roofs and their cages along this entire rock here, because that drop is huge and it's off camber. You can kind of avoid this maybe sometimes a little bit if you go really high this way, but that drop on that side is massive. Then you've got this next section with this massive rock right here and a tree right here. Essentially you have to climb, and again, for four doors, especially full-bodied rigs, you're getting into that big time. This is definitely how you break stuff. That is so bound up right now. What you can't see on that side, it's just disgusting mud. Very little traction.
Yeah, he's in the wall now.
He's literally bound up everywhere. I cannot believe he backed out of that without something snapping. That was good.
more.
This tire is up against this side with the front end over. There he goes. There you go. So he's front digging around.
Oh, damn, nice. Ooh. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Forward driver. Keep it, driver. Driver.
No, he's into it. Yeah, he's past it. Yeah, he's in it already. It's all right.
The obstacles on this trail just like keep coming and coming.
Hey, now. Now, real slow.
Nice.
It's not that bad. It just, to me, it's bad because I know it looked so pristine a moment before. But it's not too bad. It's a little dented, and it's just right along this ridge line that's scratched here. Just the door, and then just the very corner of the quarter armor here. Other than that, though, it's not too bad. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully that answers any questions as to why we will not be taking the stepchild through this trail.
Oh, yeah.
It'll buff out.
Whoa. Oh. I will not be bringing the stepchild through this. Contemplated it and not gonna. Yeah. Oh, it can do it. It just nah. It's either gonna go really good or really. Oh my goodness. No way.
I think the stepchild could get through it. I just don't think it would look the same on the other end.
No.
It does. Almost hit.
Well, his will fit perfectly in that crack between the three rocks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
give the Toyota a go. Toyota is going to bypass the drop, so you can actually come around this way. The drop's right here. He's bypassing it because he's front leaf sprung, so if he comes down that, his front drive shaft's just going to stuff into the transfer case, and it's going to be a bad day. So he's bypassing this monster drop, but he is going to do the rest of it, which may or may not be a shame because for a Toyota, the body's actually in very good shape right now.
This was my first vehicle in high school.
Was it really?
Well, this was a 94. Mine was a 93 pickup extra cab, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. And I smashed the cab
Of course
out
you
in the
did.
desert. There was some construction vehicles blocking our trail, so I sent it into the ditch to get around it, and I
Of course
bounced
you
out of the
did.
ditch sideways into the, smashed the whole cab. But the window, like all Toyotas, the window didn't break.
I think the goal is to try to be so much narrower than the other rigs. He's going to split it. Whoa! At least it's near auto clearances. It's the rock slider on the right side hitting the tree. There it goes.
Oh yeah, it's keeping him off his mirror too. Nice.
Very nice, Hanway.
Hell yeah. Did he boat tail his bed?
Oh no, it's no longer there.
These Toyota people, man, they commit.
Oh my God.
I made it. Yeah, God.
From bad to worse.
From bad to worse. Okay, watch out.
He's just getting a jump start on bobbing the bed, the bobbed bed project that he was planning on starting. It's fine.
Come down. There you go. Coming down. Straight out.
so sad right now.
Which friend?
Oh.
I don't want to end up looking like the Toyota.
There you go.
It's looking great. Most of these spectators have done, so props to him. He's on the front too.
All right, everybody clear. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, she's pushing real good.
Yeah! Teamwork, baby.
Evan, is that what the Toyota looked like out in the desert?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so we pulled out the winch.
And you know what's 10 times worse? When you're doing something like this and you have 100 people standing around watching you, let alone multiple YouTube channels filming you. So I apologize retrospectively for that.
You could jump it. Just ramp it.
It's real slow. As you come down, you'll go that way. Oh, that. Back passenger. We'll have to climb that little half dump. Back up. There we go. All right, hard, hard, hard. There we go, yep.
You are the definition of lift with your back, not with your legs.
Real slow, yeah. Looking good. Start straightening out. Driver. Right there. Keep going straight, keep it straight.
Oh, damn. Almost. He's just a little too bellied out. Don't want to pop a Burfield. Yeah, that was sick, man. Oh. Well, he asked.
Oh, yeah.
He said, how's my tailgate? And he goes, cause he said that was the only nice part. That was the nicest part of my Toyota. Yeah, he asked about it because he said it was the nicest part of his Toyota.
I will say though, the taillight still works.
Everything on a Toyota still works.
Pull the winch back out.
Oh man.
Yeah!
Okay, Toyota.
Don't look at your truck. You gotta stay there. Good.
Stay in it.
Don't look. That's awesome.
This fell out.
Oh, thank you.
por al lado acá, yo con esto rayado. Yo pensé que la ventana se
It
iba
was very painful to watch, actually.
Your tail light still works.
Just take it off.
Who's got duct tape?
Holy crap, it ripped the whole back of the bed off.
Bob.
Yeah, we're just starting your bob process.
Yeah, it's already double bobbed.
Yeah.
Now it's triple.
We're gonna.
About to be triple.
My stomach hurts.
It's all good, man.
But well, you can just tube it now and hang a bed on it. And
So I expected this video to involve multiple trails. However,
There was enough
there's no better way than to end this video.
yeah,
with the Toyota.
Yeah. So far, our experience here at Black Mountain has been
eventful.
so fun, so great.
The hits keep coming.
Yeah, we'll see if our Jeep starts.
Yeah, we're gonna see if the Jeep starts,
Fingers crossed.
and if it does, we're gonna go to another trail. And so stay tuned, because more wheeling to come, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all your Lite Brite Nation merch and decals at litebritstudios.com. And of course, if you don't already follow Luna and Marlon at Off Road and Chill, go ahead and do so, guys. As always, we love you.
Wait,
And
wait,
we'll
wait, wait,
s-
wait,
oh,
wait, wait, wait.
Bye. So we had a side-by-side attempt. As you can see, there's the winch line not going so well so far. Oh God. This winch line just snapped.